In the USSR, this question was asked before joining the KGB. Look closely. How many people live in this camp? Four names, 4 bowls and spoons, someone is catching a butterfly. There are 4 of them. Can you determine what season is shown in the picture? The boy is wearing felt boots. It's cold. The tear-off calendar shows the last page. December. This indicates the time of year is winter. Which boy will bring more water in the watering can? The boy in the cap has a bigger watering can, but the spouts of both watering cans are at the same level. So the boys will bring the same amount of water. Based on the image, how experienced are the men as campers? The camp is set up in a hollow, a typical mistake made by beginners. Experienced hikers would have chosen a safer spot. Can you determine what season is shown in the picture? A flock of cranes. They migrate twice a year, in spring and autumn. The trees still have leaves, so it's autumn. How much longer will the driver of the car in this picture have to drive alongside the railway tracks? The road sign indicates there is a railway crossing ahead, so the driver won't have to drive alongside the tracks for much longer. Everything happens in early April. Where is the train going? In spring, snow remains on the northern slope. That means the train is heading west. Can you determine what season is shown in the picture? Sowing is taking place in the field. Sowing is done either in autumn or early spring. In autumn, trees have leaves. Answer: spring. Is this river navigable? Buoys, that is, markers indicating the fairway, are placed only on navigable rivers. Is the river deep in the area where the boat is? On the shore, you can see a boy with a fishing rod. Only when fishing in deep water is the float placed so far from the hook. Is there a bridge nearby that crosses the river? A boat with passengers suggests that a river crossing is organized in this area. There is no bridge nearby. How was the spy discovered? The spy didn't know how to use a Russian samovar. He poured water into the chimney pipe.